Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink to a PDF file. This is an updated tutorial for 2024, and I'll be using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to walk you through the steps. To begin, make sure you have your PDF file open in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's say you want to add a hyperlink to some text in your document. A hyperlink is simply a clickable link that can take someone to a website or another location. First, we need to enter the editing mode. To do this, move your mouse to the right side of the screen and click on the Tools pane. In the Tools pane, find and click on the option that says Edit PDF. This will allow you to make changes to your document, including adding a hyperlink. Once you've clicked on Edit PDF, the document will become editable. You can now make changes to the text, add images, and more. But for now, we'll focus on adding a hyperlink. To do this, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on Link. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. In the drop-down menu, choose Add or Edit Web or Document Link. After you click this, your mouse cursor will change into a plus sign. Now, you'll want to drag your mouse to draw a box around the text or area where you want the hyperlink to appear. Once you've drawn the box, a dialog box will open up with several options. In the dialog box, you'll see settings for the link type, line style, and more. For the link type, you can choose between a visible rectangle or an invisible one. If you want the link to be obvious, select Visible Rectangle. You can then choose the line style, such as solid, dashed, or underlined, depending on your preference. Next, you'll select the action you want the hyperlink to perform. In most cases, you'll want the link to open a web page. To do this, select Open a web page and then click Next. In the next dialog box, you'll need to enter the URL of the web page you want the link to go to. If you've already copied the URL, you can simply paste it here. After pasting the URL, click OK. Now that you've set up the hyperlink, you can close the editing mode. To do this, click the Close button on the toolbar. You'll notice that the text you selected for the hyperlink now appears as a clickable link in the document. To test the hyperlink, move your mouse over the linked text. You should see the cursor change to a hand icon, and the URL will appear as a tooltip. If you click on the link, you'll likely see a security warning from Adobe Acrobat. This is a standard warning that alerts you when a PDF is trying to open a web page. If you trust the website, click Allow to proceed. After clicking Allow, your web browser will open the page associated with the hyperlink. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.